My name is Taaha Al-Shamma, and I am a civil and structural engineering student at my third year. My interest in civil engineering really comes from myself growing up, going with my dad to construction sites. And as I started to grow up, I started to understand the immense impact that civil engineering has on improving people's day-to-day lifestyles. Actually, before enrolling onto the course, I had the opportunity to come here for a couple of weeks with my family. We had a look around the city, and I must say I was really impressed by the different facilities and the different lifestyle options it offers. The high ranking of the University of Leeds, both on a global and national level, and the fact that it has been accredited by major institutions in the industry of engineering has played a major role in influencing my decision of pursuing the University of Leeds for my higher education. So civil engineering in its nature is a really wide field. The flexibility to choose in between different courses offered by the University of Leeds, particularly at the first year, is really reassuring to students who are not sure about what they want to do in the future. We get exposed to multiple different subject areas within engineering, for example, water engineering, geotechnics, structural design. I was particularly impressed to know that my professors have had an impact on both a national and global level. The professors are always accessible. A simple message or a simple email means that I can secure a meeting with them. You can never become a successful engineer without having the hands-on experience of working with different materials, and the labs available at the University of Leeds, particularly at the School of Civil Engineering, give students the opportunity to do just that. We've tested out concrete specimens, but we've also built timber trusses. Our faculty has a great employability team. You can go walk into the office or take an appointment with. They would help us look at CVs, different job opportunities. We've also had multiple STEM fairs organized throughout the year. Creating a CV was a first for me. Speaking to the employability team, they were able to pinpoint areas where I can improve. So I've had the opportunity to work with a consultancy called Mott MacDonald. I've also managed to work with Kier, which is a major contractor here in the UK. Receiving their help on the CV allowed me to secure those successful placements. They say civil engineers are able to do anything afterwards, so I think the skill sets that you learn while you're at university, I think are tremendous, and they go to extend not only in all walks of life, not only in practice, but also in your personal endeavors. Well, I mean, being away from home for the first time in my life was certainly no easy feat. I never knew I was going to be a good cook. It's a big move without a doubt, but it certainly is such a rewarding experience. It has been. And if time goes back, I'll certainly make the same decision again of coming to the University of Leeds. I've attended many events put on by many societies: the Islamic Society, the Arab Society, and the North African Society. Going to these societies was great because it enabled me to understand people's backgrounds, where they come from, their culture, the way they think. I think it was really interesting to get to know people on a more personal level. I love Leeds. I love Leeds. This is a great city to be a part of. I like the fact that the city centre is just a walking distance away from campus. That means when I do want a breather, I can always go down for a walk with my friends, do some shopping, go to some restaurants. There's something for everyone. There's something for everyone.